Hi guys, it is day 3 of our vacation here in British Columbia, and we are currently in Salmon Arm. So we're just gonna explore here. We are gonna go see the Candy Vault, which is a big candy store, and then we're gonna go to the wharf afterwards and maybe eat lunch here. So we're just grabbing some ice to put in our cooler because it's really hot out. It is plus 26 right now and it's only 11 in the morning. So it's a nice day out, and yeah, we'll take you there later. So we're here at the Candy Vault. Let me zoom in. There you go. So we're gonna enter the Candy Vault. This is a candy store here in Salmon Arm. Come on, Sophie, let's get in. Get in. Oh, lots of candy. Go get in. Get in, Sophie, get in. Get in. See, lots of candy. Oh, look at all the candies here. Bean Boozled, yeah, wow. Like all the candies. Oh, look at all the candies. Yeah. Candy. Wait. Look, Eli. Oh, candy. All candies. And you can get a slush puppy here. Wow, look at all the candies, Eli. Candies. Come here, sit with Eli. So we're just going for a walk here. We're at like a downtown here in Salmon Arm. I'm just gonna take a picture here by the fountain. It's super nice out. So we just got out of the Candy Vault or the candy store. We're just taking the kids out for a walk here. It's so nice here.
You know what I wish for? I wish for I stay in the hotel.
Wow. Nice. So this is downtown Salmon Arm. Okay, Sophie, now make a wish. Make a wish. Okay. The kids eat ice cream. It's just way too hot out, but we are going to the wharf here in Salmon Arm. And it's super hot. How do you like your ice cream?
Yeah.
Yeah. And how about you, Eli? How's your ice cream?
The candy people said there's candy in it, and there is candy.
So we found a sandcastle here inside the mall. We are in Salmon Arm still. It says Bernadette's Castle. It is actually sandcastles for hospice in honor of his daughter Bernadette, blind baby. Oh, I see. So that's the history of this sandcastle here. It's actually inside this mall here in Salmon Arm. I'll show you how it looks. Oh, that is so awesome. Okay, come on guys. Hi guys. Okay, so we're at the Sicamous Public Beach. And they do have a spray park here too, so we're taking the kids here so they can play, and then we're gonna go to the beach afterwards. There is also a playground here for kids. It'll be so much fun. It's actually super nice out. It's plus 32 degrees right now. It's like Philippines almost. Ang init, grabe. So they can play here, the spray park here, and then later on sa beach. There goes Eli. So if you guys go to Sicamous, make sure you visit the Dutchmen Dairy. They have the best ice cream, I swear. It's made of real dairy. So this is how it looks like. And then you can sit there and chill. Yeah, and then there's a fruit world right across it. So fresh fruits. Yeah. visit the Dutchmen Dairy here in Sicamous, BC. Good morning, everybody. It's our day 5 of our vacation here in British Columbia or BC, and we're ready to go home. We're actually packing up. We just got done eating our breakfast. It's a good breakfast. It's nothing special. Anyways, yeah, we're packing up and I'm excited actually to sleep in my own bed tonight. Do you also get that feeling? I'm not putting on any makeup. I just put a little bit of my what's this? ColourPop matte lippy, and that's it. Nope. Just moisturizer and Cover FX pressed powder. Para wala namang shine dyan. Anyways, I am so tanned, like really tan from spending so much time in the beach. But you know what? That's what summer is all about. And yeah, I will see you guys in our next video. I guess I will edit this as soon as we get home. Bye, guys.